Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today is the last day of 2020 guys, December 31st, and I believe every one of you are in party mood only, including myself. So unlike the past few years, this time we may not be able to go out on New Year's night for disco parties and stuff like that, but because of COVID issues. But again, who doesn't want to have a party at their place? At least that is the minimum thing that everybody would love to have, right? And for these sort of parties and occasions now, people always like ask me or keep searching for like which Bluetooth speaker or which speaker should they go for. Again, I'm not talking about those chotu motu small Bluetooth speakers. They're like never enough to have like a decent party at your place. I'm talking about, like big tower party kind of speakers. And not to worry, this is not that expensive also. It's within your budget range only. So that is what I'll be showing you in today's video, guys. It's a party tower Bluetooth speaker. Pretty nice for these sort of occasions. So Zook has recently launched a budget category Bluetooth tower speaker, guys, by the name Gladiator. And today in this video, we'll be unboxing and checking it out. So it's, as you can see, guys, the package is right over here. It's a massive tower speaker and costs around like 3,500 rupees in India. And for this price, the brand is offering you a huge tower speaker with two satellite speakers on the front and also a built-in dedicated subwoofer, guys. The whole thing can produce around 55 watts of audio output. And not only that, it's got some multiple connectivity features like it supports Bluetooth, has aux, USB pen drive, and a lot of other stuff. So without wasting any more time, guys, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So as you can see, the Zook Gladiator tower speaker comes in this sort of box packaging. Man, this is definitely heavy, guys. I believe it easily weighs around like 5 to 6 kgs, I guess. Damn, that is quite heavy. So it comes in this sort of box packaging, simple cardboard box, says Zook Gladiator on the front, and it's a Bluetooth tower speaker as mentioned before. And as you can see, there is nothing much written on the package. What I'll do is I'll just quickly grab my knife and cut this seal and show you how the product looks like. Oh, looks like there's one more box inside the package. Let me just take it out. So this outer one was just a dummy box. And this is the actual box packaging of the Gladiator speaker. So this is how the package looks like. You've got the Zook branding, says Gladiator on the front, and we even have a picture of the product on the front. As you can see, guys, it's a tower speaker that has two satellite speakers on the front and a dedicated subwoofer to the side of the speaker. And it says 55 watts output on the front. So we've got the specs on the side of the box over here. There's a 5.25 inch subwoofer and the satellite speakers, both of them are 4 inches in size. And if you talk about the frequency responses, then the satellite speakers have a frequency response range from 200 Hz to 20 kHz, and the subwoofer has 40 Hz to 200 Hz. And what else is written? That is pretty much it, guys. So there's nothing else written over here. I'll just quickly unbox it and then we'll check out the actual product. Okay, so on opening the box, looks like we've got a user manual at the top. Just make sure to read this for all the info. You've got everything like how to set it up, use it, and stuff like that. And here's the speaker. Let me just take it out of the box. Damn, this is quite heavy. I guess I have to flip it over and take it out. And along with the Bluetooth speaker in the box, guys, we got some accessories as well. There's a remote to completely control the Bluetooth speaker. You've got volume up and down, music skip tracks, and a lot of other stuff. Keeping that aside, you get a 3.5mm audio cable and a warranty card. And that is it. These were the accessories we got in the package. Keeping them aside, here's the actual tower speaker. And ta-ta-da! So here it is, guys, our new Zook Gladiator Tower Bluetooth speaker. So let me give you all a closer look and talk about the design and the build quality. Zook's new Gladiator is a Bluetooth tower speaker that offers two satellite speakers on the front and a built-in subwoofer to the side. It's got a minimalistic look in a full black finish, and if you talk about the build quality is nice. The enclosure of the tower speaker is entirely made of wood, MDF I believe, while the other parts like the media control panel, they are all made of plastic. The speaker has a sleek design, being roughly around 3.5 feet tall in height and easily weighs around 5.5 kgs. So now let me show you all the driver units present on it and talk about them. On the front, the Gladiator offers two satellite speakers, each of 4 inches in size, and are capable of producing 10 watts each. The frequency response range is from 200 Hz to 20 kHz, so they usually take care of the mids and the treble, while the low frequencies are handled by the dedicated subwoofer to the side. And here's the subwoofer I was talking about. It's covered by this net-like grill. Let me just remove it so you can check out how the actual woofer looks like. If you can observe, the subwoofer is slightly a bit bigger in size than the satellites at 5.25 inches and is capable of producing 35 watts of output, while the frequency response range is from 40 Hz to 200 Hz. So all these three drivers work together to produce a total of 55 watts of audio output. And here's how the Gladiator looks from the backside. You've got the Zook branding at the top, and if you can observe, there's even a point to connect a microphone, which you need to buy separately to enjoy karaoke parties as well. And on the bottom, there's a power on off rocker switch, a mains cord cable which is not removable, and an audio left-right input port to use it in the aux mode. Not to forget, it also has a built-in FM radio, and this is its antenna. Now let me just power it on and show you. As soon as you do that, you'll see the display and the volume control knob light up. It's got a simple red LED 7-segment kind of display that shows you the current mode or the volume level, while the knob has fixed blue LED lighting. The quality is decent and the control wheel also feels smooth. Above that, there's a USB port to play songs from a pen drive and has all the other controls just above that. The Gladiator also offers a special bass boost knob to increase or decrease the bass, and these buttons are used to change the mode of the speaker, skip music tracks, or play pause the audio. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly pair it with my phone, play some songs, and show you how the speaker sounds like. I really wish I could play some movie songs and show you, but unfortunately I can't do that due to copyright issues, so you'll have to adjust with these demo tracks itself. That sounds good! Actually, impressive for the price. Much better than those small Bluetooth speakers which you get around like 2000 or 2500 rupees. See, I've played and tested a variety of music on it, and let me tell you, the mids felt crisp and clear. You could easily understand all the dialogue, so the vocal clarity was nice. The treble quality was also good, was producing neat high frequency response with minimum harshness, and the bass was also nice. One thing I would tell you is, to get the best bass on it, set the bass knob to 85 to 90% level. That was offering you a punchy low frequency response. See, it's not heart pounding or anything, but for the price what you're paying, the speaker is doing a decent job. But I still feel the bass on the speaker could have been slightly a bit higher. Now, talking about the output, the tower speaker was definitely loud to get your party started, but as in how you increase the volume, I felt there was a bit of distortion and speaker jarring happening above 85% volume level. On the overall guys, the Gladiator was doing a decent job for the price, and I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy your party at your home. Well, that's it. That was my video on Zook's new Gladiator Tower speaker. It's a good party speaker with decently loud output, offers 55 watts of audio output, multiple connectivity features including Bluetooth, and a good sounding audio. Only thing I felt is, the finishing could have been slightly better, especially near the subwoofer area. Rest everything else was fine. It costs around 3,499 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to check out this product. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.